Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to find your Bitcoin transaction ID on Cash App. This is useful if you ever need to verify or share your Bitcoin transaction details. First, open Cash App and look at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap the small B icon. That's where all your Bitcoin options are. Next, go to the activity section. Here, you'll see a list of all your past Bitcoin transactions. Scroll through and find the one you're looking for, usually sorted by date. If you see a transaction marked as withdrawn with a check mark, that means the Bitcoin was sent successfully. Tap on that transaction to open the full details. Now, tap on the option labeled Block Explorer. This will take you to the blockchain view where you can see every detail about that specific transaction. Finally, to copy your transaction ID, tap the clipboard icon. You can now paste it anywhere, whether you're confirming a payment or sharing proof of your Bitcoin transfer. And that's it. That's how you quickly find your Bitcoin transaction ID on Cash App using the latest update.